Hey there, folks. Welcome back to DevOps Steps, where we make the tech simple and fun. I'm Rohit, and today we have got an exciting tour in store just for you. But before we dive in, you make sure that you hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you will get the future updates. Alright, let's get started. So, guys, what's the deal with this Jenkins now? Well, Jenkins is an open source automated server that helps us automate the building, testing, and deployment of our project. And today we are setting it up on the latest Amazon Linux 2023. Don't worry if you haven't tried this before. I am here to guide you through every single step. First thing first, let's make sure that our environment is all set up. So for that, I have already set up a server which runs Amazon Linux 2023 and which I have connected it through the SSH session by using moboxterm. To install Jenkins, we'll need Java, so let's install OpenJDK. But before installing anything, it's always a good practice to ensure that your system is up to date. Now, open the server terminal on the window or moboxterm and enter the following command. Our system is now up to date. To install Jenkins, we need Java, and you know Jenkins is a Java application. So Java is our prerequisite. To install Java, follow the following command. Now after hitting enter, you can see that our package is getting extracted. It will take up to 1 to 3 seconds and our package is getting installed. To verify the install use, we need a command called java version, and after checking the installation version, we can see that Java version is running on 17. And there you go, Java is on board. Let's level up. Let's bring Jenkins into a mix. We will add Jenkins repository and install it. And after that, our next step is to install Jenkins repository to your system with the following command. After that, we have to import a key file from the Jenkins CI to enable the installation from the package. Now, the next step, we have to install the Jenkins with this following command. Now you can see that our packages is getting installed, and just like that, Jenkins is now part of our family. Our next and final step is to enable and start the Jenkins server by using the following commands. Now it's time to fire the Jenkins and access the web interface. And there you have it, folks. We have successfully installed and configured Jenkins on Amazon Linux 2023.